Hello from MyAmplifiers company. We would like to share with you mobile signal booster LCD-130 for calls. This model will let you improve your calls for all European providers. LCD-130 is high quality equipment of the 9th generation, made under European standards like CE and RoHS. After passing a 5-step pre-delivery check so that all its components have been checked once again for proper functioning, we ship the booster to you, and thanks to DHL, FedEx and TNT, we deliver within 2 to 7 working days. Each set comes with all the necessary accessories, enabling you to use your cell phone wherever you are. Moreover, this device can be used by multiple phones simultaneously. So that's what it looks like. The amplifier itself with an LCD screen, as you must have noticed, is very convenient as it will display the necessary information, indoor and outdoor signal level, thus helping to install the antenna, error notifications, setup recommendations, power and amplification level, an outdoor antenna with brackets for fixing it, an indoor antenna, the cables for connecting to the booster, an adapter for European sockets. But if you're going to use the booster outside Europe, sure, you will get the necessary power supply depending on your country, and a manual with installation instructions. Now, following the instructions, I will assemble the device. You will see it's rather quick. First, I'll connect the outdoor antenna, and that gets the poor signal from outside to the booster with a 20-meter long cable. That transfers this signal to the booster box. Done. Then I'll do the same for the indoor antenna. That extends the improved signal into your house. As you may see, this amplifier doesn't require any additional wires to be attached to your phone. Everything is ready. You won't need to hire anybody to provide the installation of the equipment. Let's check the device. Please note that our amplifiers are able to work within different climate zones with both high and low temperatures and humidity. At MyAmplifiers, you can find your perfect signal booster in accordance with your country, carrier used, and the signal that you want to amplify, i.e. calls only, or calls plus 3 or 4G, or just internet. MyAmplifiers advises the purchase of standard installation kits, as specialists have correlated the optimum cable length and booster parameters, thus having developed the plug-and-play solution. If you are not sure whether the signal booster will be useful for you, that is not the reason to wait. Just try it, and you will have 30 days to check if the chosen model will improve your signal. If not, you're free to change it to another one or return it to us. We also provide a 3-year product warranty. During this period, we replace repair and work with our clients absolutely for free. If you find difficult to choose from our wide range of models, we invite you to contact us, and we'll be glad to help you find suitable booster model for your needs. Thank you for your attention. We will be glad to cooperate with you.